Hello, my dear friends. Today I'm talking about the midpoints, what they are revealing in astrology. A midpoint is the point exactly halfway between two planets in a natal chart. If you have a planet at 10 degrees in Aries and another at 20 degrees in Aries, the midpoint would be at 15 degrees in Aries. This midpoint represents a blend of the energies of the two planets it lies between and can reveal a crucial point of balance, integration, or tension in the chart. Which are the types of midpoints? We have major midpoints that are planetary midpoints, and these are the most common type, calculated between any two planets in the chart. And these midpoints illustrate how the energies of the two distinct planets merge. This combination can highlight significant areas of focus in an individual's life. For example, a midpoint between Venus, that signify love and beauty and money, and Mars, that signify action and desire, may indicate a key area where romantic and creative energies converge, influencing how one experiences love and passion. By examining planetary midpoints, we can gain insights into internal and external dynamics. These midpoints reveal where the interplay of planetary influences creates particular effects, whether they be harmonious or challenging. They offer a nuanced understanding of how planetary energies interact beyond their individual aspects. So we can have harmonious midpoints when planets in a natal chart form midpoints with beneficial aspects, trine sextiles. These points often indicate areas of ace and potential. For example, a midpoint between Mercury and Jupiter in a harmonious aspect might suggest an aptitude for optimistic and effective communication. And also we can have challenging midpoints involving planets in challenging aspects, can point to areas of tension or conflict. For instance, a midpoint between a Sun and Saturn could reveal struggles related to self-expression or issues with authority and personal limitations. For example, Sun-Moon midpoint is especially important as it reflects the integration of the Sun's ego and the Moon's emotional needs, and can provide insights into how a person's core self aligns with their emotional experiences. So, represents the balance between the ego and emotional needs. And it's located halfway between the positions of the Sun and Moon. If this midpoint is part of a harmonious aspects, they can enhance the integration of the person's identity and emotional state. This align can lead to greater personal satisfaction and aid in expressing one's true self. When it's about challenging aspects, is pointing the areas of tension or conflict. Understanding the Sun-Moon midpoint can be invaluable in personal growth, helping people align their goals with their emotional needs. Because these emotional needs are very important, and most of the time we are not aware about them. In the relationship dynamics, it can reveal how well a person core identity and emotional experiences mesh with the partners, offering insights into compatibility and potential areas of harmony or discord. Another important midpoint is between Ascendant and MC, medium coeli. This midpoint reflects the balance between personal identity and career or public image. A well-respected Ascendant MC midpoint suggests a harmonious alignment where personal qualities naturally support career goals and public image. When it's about challenging aspects, might indicate tension between personal identity and the professional life, leading to potential conflicts or difficulties in achieving career goals. When it's about minor midpoints, these are midpoints formed between aspects, such as the midpoint of a trine or a square, let's say, and they can highlight areas where aspects are most potent or provocative. Aspects, midpoints, in astrology are points located halfway between two planets that form an aspect in a natal chart. Generally speaking, I'm talking about major aspects. I mean trine, sextile, squares, and oppositions. These midpoints offer insights into how the energies of the planets involved in the aspect interact and influence each other. For example, a midpoint between Venus and Jupiter in a trine might suggest opportunities for growth and abundance in love and creativity. When it's about challenging aspects, midpoints between planets in tense aspects, squares, or oppositions can highlight areas where the person might face internal or external conflicts. For instance, a midpoint between Mars and Saturn in a square might point to struggles with self-discipline or frustrations in achieving goals. Also, we have house midpoints. These midpoints between planets in different houses, showing how different life areas, represented by houses of course, interact and influence each other. House midpoints are specific points located halfway between planets situated in different houses in a natal chart. These midpoints highlight the intersection of planetary energies across different life areas, revealing how various aspects of life interact and influence each other. For instance, a planet in the second house, that means finances and values, forming a midpoint with a planet in the seventh house, that means relationships and partnerships, and can reveal how financial matters impact relationships or vice versa. When we have harmonious aspects, house midpoints involving planets in harmonious aspects often indicate smooth integration and support between different life areas. For example, a midpoint between planets in the fourth house, home, family, parents, and the 10th house, career and public image, might suggest a balanced relationship between home life and professional ambitions. Midpoints involving planets in tense aspects can reveal points of conflict or struggle. For example, a midpoint between planets in the fifth house, creativity, children, and romantic endeavors, and the 12th house, that are subconscious retreats and working with yourself, could highlight issues with expressing creativity due to subconscious fears or hidden obstacles. Until next time, I wish you all the best. Bye bye.